My name is Rob. I'm a salesperson here at LPK Chrysler here in Defiance. I like that I'm actually here in Defiance. I'm local to Defiance, born and raised. So just being able to work within the community and work with a lot of people I know and make connections. A lot of it, since it's a small town, usually there's a lot of mutual people. So if you know someone who knows someone, it's easy to draw connections and establish good bonds and friendships that way. What makes it a low payment Kings dealership? We got the best deals around. We're willing to work with anybody and everybody and do whatever we can and give a championship effort at getting you into a vehicle. Every day to help our customers, we're doing whatever we can. Whether that means picking them up from somewhere if they need a ride, dropping them off somewhere if they need a ride. If they want to show a vehicle to a family member that's at home, we'll drive a vehicle over there to show them. We will really do whatever we can to put a deal together, and we won't leave without a championship effort. My name's Rob Martinez. Like I said, I'm a salesperson here at LPK Chrysler here in Defiance. If I can help you in any way with sales, leasing, anything, feel free to reach out to me at 567-200-8415.